Hi beauties, welcome back again to another tutorial. If you are new here, my name is Beauty by Chinny, and in this video I'm going to be sharing something very beautiful with you guys. Like in this video, I'll be doing my hair, the Jamaica bouncy one called hair. This is the bread, and I think this is 8 inches. I'm going to show you guys this. Oh my gosh, look at that. You see that how bouncy this coil is? This is Jamaica bouncy coil. So I'll cut this out right now. I cut it with my finger. Oh here. So okay, this. So I'm going to use this one pack on my hair. Yeah, I think it will be enough because the hair is not many, it's just only here. I'll be dividing the hair into two. I'll be shaving it into two this way because I don't like using the full thing. You know, as I wave the hair little, so I'm going to project it this way. I'll start applying it here and then wear it. Here we are. So I'm going to trim out the excess of the hair. So I'll make sure that I trim it out this way. My new hair. Let me know what you think, if you can rock this kind of hair that I did. So I like the way this hair came out, like this hair is so gorgeous. To me, I like it. I don't know for you. So let me know what you think in the comment section about this my hair. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you guys in my next video.